making a roping breast collar here, and I need to stitch this center piece that holds this D in here. This is older Pointer hardware that I'm making a new breast collar around. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, and then it's kind of tapered off to 3 layers, and that's what I'll be sewing on this machine. It's got a size 230 needle in it, and I've got nylon thread 346 is the size on it. Start over on this side, and what I do is back up like 2 stitches and then sew forward. The servo motor, you can sew at your own chosen speed. Pull my needle almost all the way up, and then pivot the piece around. What I do now is pull my loop right in the center and trim my thread off.